The pros are here today, right?
We got workers who know what they're doing. And they're digging, they're going to re-support the foundation. And those are helical piers. They're basically ginormous drill bits that they're going to dig down deep holes till they hit enough resistance, and then they put a clamp on the bottom of the foundation and support it. And it's supposed to be a lifetime guarantee. They have to hand dig it because there's no access over there, so they're having a digging party.
All right, they are trying to get to the bottom of our foundation so they can put the piers in. And they've been digging a while.
And you can't get the truck the equipment in there.
They're pretty far down in there. How do you get them in there? Like, what, you drive them down with the
screw down with the hydraulic pressure.
Okay.
The torque. And we got some 2000 psi pressure. Those helical piers, they stabilize the foundation.
Okay.
From zero anymore.
One's gonna go right here.
It's gonna be right there.
Okay. The other one's gonna be right here. Okay. All right. Cool.
That one is ready. We're gonna screw that one with a mini.
Okay.
A big hole. Arriba. Vamos para arriba. Ya, échale. Kind of like that.
Okay.
Kind of like that.
Okay.
So the foundation sets right here.
Okay.
And then with all these big bolts going through here.
How far does that go down in there?
The pier?
Yeah. It's pretty far down in there.
It is, yeah. Then went down from the footer down, which is 14 minus 5, 9 feet.
Wow.
Pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah. We got 2000 psi is the pressure. So he's going to slide the bracket to the pipe and measure from the to cut it.
Well, Dave, that's the way to do house flipping. You're just standing there and
Oh yeah, yeah.
everyone else is down in a hole.
The only way. It's a portable bandsaw.
Portable bandsaw.
That's a bolt.
Yeah.
You see this bolt right here?
Yeah, that's a bolt, that's for sure.
Échamelo si quieres.
It's a ton of tools.
Yeah.
Now how does he get out of there? That is cool. And so yesterday those guys were working on stabilizing our foundation because our entire house was sinking. So they put those piers in and now they're buried forever and our house won't sink another inch because they have 5 of them all around the house. There's one there, there's another one here, and then 3 more are buried in this area around the house. So with 5 of them in place, this house isn't going anywhere.